Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Borracha Pimienta from Brewstillery using their StormBringer Spiced Rum. To make this drink, we're going to start by adding our spiced rum. 1.5 ounces of the StormBringer Spiced Rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters of an orange cherry syrup. Now, Brewstillery does have a proprietary recipe for that. However, they would not share it with me, so I made up my own. I've got a cherry syrup. I'm going to put in 1/4 ounce of that. And 1/4 ounce of my orange syrup. The recipes for both of these are on the channel. If you're looking for the orange, look for the citrus syrup recipe. Both the links will be down below. 1/4 ounce of each, which is 7.5 milliliters, which totals half a ounce, which is 15 milliliters. Now, the egg white. Wish me luck. Not bad. Add that to the shaker. I'm gonna wipe my hands real quick. Add your ice. And give it its first shake. Now, I'm going to strain this into a temporary glass because we're going to dry shake it next. So I just strained out the ice. Add that back to the shaker. Don't forget to put on your cap. I have forgotten to put on the cap. Just saying. And shake it again. Have your old-fashioned glass and a large ice cube. I've got these silicone molds from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. They're skull-shaped, in case you're wondering. Give me a moment. Oh, that was a short moment. Drop that in there. Strain the drink on top. And garnish. Garnish are a couple of drops of habanero bitters. I've been having trouble finding habanero bitters, so I ended up with this Bitterman's habanero shrub instead, so this will work for me. If you have bitters, use bitters. They are slightly different, but this will work just fine. A couple drops of that on top. And a twist of lime. Wait. And there you have it. The Borracha, let me see if I can roll that R again. Borracha Pimienta. Drink with good spirits.